Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. On Wisdom Wednesdays, I share tips on baking more efficiently. Okay. As we know, one of the biggest issues with baking bread products on the commercial scale is definitely the shelf life. So there are two key aspects to shelf life. One would be the mold issue, and one would be the softening and stilling issue. Okay, so I created a YouTube episode on this. So go on to BAKERpedia TV on YouTube, and it's going to be around the 25 or 26 episode of Ask Dr. Lynn, where I go in depth into solving the mold issue. But basically, if you want a quick fix, make sure you use calcium permanganate or cultured wheat. Cultured wheat is available from our sponsors at J&K Ingredients. And if you are producing gluten-free breads, they have a gluten-free bread made as well. So stop there to get a sample from them, and they are on our sponsor showcase. So it will actually improve your shelf life and give it extra probably 4 or 5 days given the right conditions. Yeah. So can you imagine an additional 4 to 5 days in your distribution channel? That's a lot of money to the bottom line. Okay. So use some form of preservative to prevent mold growth on your bread. Okay. One quick hack for you. So did you know that baking can actually improve your shelf life with mold by baking out more moisture? Okay, so there is a fine line for you to decide when to stop baking, and to really understand that, you need to use a thermal logger or a breadometer, and breadometers can be obtained from BakeWatch by ECD. They are our sponsors as well. So go on to our sponsor showcase, click their download, and understand how to bake properly with the proper bake outs to prevent mold. Okay. One of the things I've learned over the years is, especially during the hot seasons, we're talking about, places like South Africa right now, Australia right now, where you're South America right now, where you're going through summer. Okay. Instead of cutting back the bake time, I want you to bake longer, and you can see this through your breadometer. Bake longer, get the excess moisture out so that your bread can cool faster. Okay. Once you mass migrate all those water out of your system, you have less water in your system to insulate it from cooling. Okay. More water out means faster cooling. So that's one tip that you could use in your hot summers. The second point I want to touch on in extending your shelf life is really how to make it softer. Okay. I created a docuseries called Scale Up. It's also on the YouTube channel. And pretty much we went into an artisan bakery, and instead of putting in shelf life extenders immediately, we cut back the actual bake time using the breadometer as well. So do that first, and then look into enzyme solutions. Okay, so enzyme solutions, this is a free download from our pages, and go to the enzyme topic page and you will see it. You will also see it in the resource tab under free downloads. And once you get this, it will teach you what enzymes to use if you're a huge bakery to extend the shelf life of your products. Okay, so go now and download this today. Every bakers need this. Okay, sorry about my green screen, but basically you can get that from our free download page. Okay, so that's my second solution for the day in extending your bread shelf life. For more information on shelf life extension, please go to bakerpedia.com/academy. We have a ton of Baker papers there ready for you to download. And if you need more interactive solutions and some help, go to our Baker Forum, where our peer community can help you solve your problems right now. And lastly, if you really need focused help, we have Richard Charpentier available as a consultant on the Baker Help column. So we are here for you. Thank you for joining me today on Wisdom Wednesday, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.